Hello folks, welcome to Guru Tech Solutions. As technology continues to revolutionize the world, AI tools have become indispensable in transforming the landscape of education. In this video, we delve into the significance of integrating AI into teaching methodologies, empowering educators to create innovative and engaging learning environments. Join us on a journey of discovery as we showcase 3 incredible free AI tools specially designed for teachers. Discover how these tools can elevate your teaching strategies, captivate students' imaginations, and foster a more dynamic and impactful learning experience. Embrace the future of education with AI-powered innovations in this must-watch video. So, without further delay, let's discuss AI tool number 1. Type u.com in the search bar. This will lead you to the official page of this free AI tool. So, the interface looks like this. Now, we just have to sign in. For that I will be using my Gmail account. Once you are done with inputting your account details, it will automatically sign in, here you can see. So, this is the prompt bar here. We'll ask this AI tool whatever we want. As teachers we always find it difficult to develop lesson plans for our classes, so let us explore whether this AI assists in this regard or not. So, let's suppose I want this AI to develop a detailed lesson plan for grade 7 around the notion of ratio. Besides, I want this AI to suggest the 2 best activities to engage me students in an effective way. Once you are done with typing your prompt, hit the Enter key. This will process and will generate results in a few seconds. Boom! Here you go. You can see that this free AI has developed a well-organized lesson plan in a just single click. Now, let's analyze a little deeper the provided lesson plan. The very first step is defining objectives, and it can be seen here. This depends on how you input the prompt. The more precise prompt could lead to better results. Moreover, a list of resources has been provided as this can assist the plan in a better and productive way. Again, it depends on your prompt to ask for specific resources. And then this AI has suggested 10 minutes for introducing the concept. For that it has emphasized to link the concept with daily life. For instance, teachers are supposed to provide a few contextual examples like how ratio is maintained while cooking something. This will help them realize that they are familiar with the concept. It will help students to connect what they are studying in the classroom with their daily life. This AI has suggested 20 minutes for defining the notion of ratio and explanation of its mathematical notation. Moreover, 30 minutes has been suggested for practicing problem. It has clearly stated how to practice the concept by providing worksheets containing problems related to ratio. More importantly, it has dedicated the next 30 minutes to group activities, where it has been suggested to divide the class into 4 equal groups and further details to execute the activity is provided. Finally, it is suggested to include some games to teach the idea in hand to make the understanding better. Again, if you do not have any game in mind pertaining to the concept and class level, this AI will surely help you in this regard as well. So, in this way we can develop lesson plans to engage students in the teaching and learning process. Sometimes the student asks about practical examples of what goes on inside the classroom. In that case we can use this AI to learn more about the notions. Let's suppose, I want to know a few real-life applications of ratio. Just type and wait for the response. Here you go, a few of the practical examples. As it has provided many, however, ratio can be used while cooking or it can be used to differentiate between students who passed the exam and those who didn't. In this way various examples can be extracted from this free AI tool and can be used in classroom to make sense of the abstract concepts. More specifically, if I want to know how ratio can be used in cooking, I will just type and let the AI respond over my concern. Here you can see how it has generated a detailed response. In this way teachers can use this AI tool to make sure that they are in position to respond to every question from students' end. And the important part is that on the right side various website links can be seen, and to learn more we just need to click, and this will lead us to the official pages of various websites from where this AI tool has extracted this very information. Moreover, if we want to add pictures in our lesson plan or in our classroom activity, we can just use this AI. For that we have to click images, and it will open various images which can be used to visualize the concepts in hand. Similarly, if you want to make your lesson more vibrant by adding various videos, this AI can provide that as well. For this you just have to click here, and various videos can be seen around the notion of ratio. In nutshell, under one free AI everything is available. Teachers just need to be familiar with these AI tools to make their classroom more engaging. Now let's dive into discussing the second free AI tool, which is ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right, this free AI tool can also be used by teachers for various purposes. So, let's explore how this can be used by teachers. Let's suppose I want to develop a lesson plan around the concept of slope for grade 9. I will type it in the prompt bar, it will process and generate auto-response. Boom! It has started generating a lesson plan around my input. Wait for a few seconds to make your lesson plan ready. You can see that it has developed a detailed lesson plan including predefined lesson objectives. Also suggested resources required for the lesson to be taught. Besides, the detailed description of the introduction part is provided. Moreover, it has suggested specific time to complete the direct instruction, guided instruction, and independent practice. In addition, suggested ways to assess students' learning outcomes. Let's explore further. As sometimes teachers feel it difficult to decide which activity works better to make students understand the concept. So, to have better suggestions about activities we can use this free AI tool. Let me ask this AI tool to generate an activity around the concept we are interested in. Just type in the prompt bar and wait for the magic. Here you can see that it has suggested a detailed activity which can be performed in order to make sure students understand the notion very well. Now let's search for real-life examples of the lesson we intended to teach. Type this in the given prompt bar, and you will get numerous examples related to the practical usage of the notion. As teachers we must have practical applications of these concepts in our hand or mind, otherwise there are chances to stuck at some point. Read between the provided lines and select any particular example that you think fits your context or classroom. Besides, if you are not satisfied with the examples provided, you can ask for more examples. In this way you can make various examples part and parcel of your daily routine lessons. Moreover, teachers can use this AI to make themselves acquainted with various misconceptions that could arise while teaching. For that you just need to type, and this AI will help you to figure out possible misconceptions that could interfere students' conceptual understanding. Teachers having knowledge about possible misconceptions will surely help students to get rid of them and make better understanding. In the same way, this free AI tool can be used for other purposes that include quizzes, classroom practice work, pre-test, post-test, and assessment rubrics as well. I believe the AI has the potential to assist teachers and make their teaching more effective and engaging. Now we will discuss the third AI tool for teachers to make their lives easier. But before we discuss it, a very humble request to everyone watching this video right now to subscribe Guru Tech Solutions. By subscribing you will get updates about latest AI tools for teaching, learning, and academic research. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and bell icon to stay in touch. Now let's discuss AI tool number 3. Open your web browser and type Education Copilot. And click the very first provided link. This will lead you to the official page of this AI tool. To log in we will use our Gmail account. You can follow the same process to access it. After signing in, the final interface looks like this. Now we just have to click Workshop, and from here you can see various features have been given under same page. Now, let's discuss a few of them one by one. Let's explore Recipe Builder. By clicking on it, this window will appear before you. Here you can see it asks about the topic around which we want this AI to generate content. Just next to this it asks about inputting the grade level. Next to this you will see 4 checklists. The first is about lesson plan, second is about PowerPoint, followed by context builder and educational handout. So, let's suppose I want to input quadratic equation for grade 10, then I will click Generate Resources. This AI will generate content around the input instruction. We just need to wait for it, it will process and bring forth the results one by one. Boom! Here you can see the results in the top right corner, 3 different PDF documents. First one is about context builder, second one is about quadratic equation educational handout followed by a lesson plan. Now we will open them one by one and check. Let's open the context builder. You can see a separate PDF document will be opened. In this PDF document, the details of the notion have been provided, from vocabulary terms to each and every concept can be seen here. Read the ready-made context builder to have a strong grasp on the concept of quadratic equation before appearing in your class. Once you are done with reading, you can download it and save it on your system. Now, let's check the other auto-developed PDF documents. This time we will be checking the AI-made lesson plan. A very detailed lesson plan can be seen here, as created automatically on our quick prompt. Check out the aim and objectives followed by possible materials that might require to execute the plan. Moreover, modeled practice and guided practice are also available. More importantly, this plan contains the common areas where students struggle most of the time. The lesson plan ends with a suggested way to close the lesson. You can download it by just following the same process as discussed earlier. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening journey into the realm of AI tools for educators. In this video, we unveiled 3 incredible and free AI tools that have the potential to revolutionize teaching methods and elevate the learning experience. We hope you were as amazed by them as we were. If so, your feedback is invaluable to us, so please take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments section below. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on future content exploring cutting-edge tools and innovative strategies to enhance education.